tell you something. One thing about me, I'm gonna stay sucker free.
I'm taking off like I'm sucker free. Nigga RT, put a V8 in my hood, make it speak. On the freeway with the shit, fuck a street. We ain't get three, so ain't no can take off. Turn up the bass, make it beat. Finna hit up triple D, he let down the back seat. Hit him burn out every week. So if your ass wanna see me, that's set to get deep. Go. Let's race what? Look at my tail lights.
What's up with YouTube? It's your boy Sucker Free RT, back with another video, man. Today, I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit about the rebuild on the Scatpack, man. But first of all, let's get into this. Y'all see that right there? Y'all see him? I don't know who channel he watching. Talking about I went through 3 cars. Cause this car getting fixed, right as we speak. Sucker Free Jeep finna be back rolling with the door on. You know what I'm saying? Everything is ordered. What are you talking about? And my Charger, I didn't mess that up. And it's running right now. It's working. And the third car, you talking on, I had Tahoe. My uncle got that. So what 3 cars? Managing my money. I managed the money pretty good. Because as you see, Charger went down, that's fixed. Challenger went down, that's getting fixed. So I don't know if you watch somebody else's channel and want to comment that on me, or you watching my channel with both your eyes closed. Because I don't really know what you're talking about, bro. You right, Mr. You? Y'all see that. I don't know where you getting the information from, but I appreciate you for the you know what I'm saying, watching my video. Subscribe while you're at it, man. We got good content coming. But let's get to the video. As y'all see, I went out and got me a bright head light for the garage because I'm out here working, man. We're working daily on it, every day. Getting it back together. New parts, new fender right there. New light right there. I got a whole bunch of everything. Everything is ordered except for a door, like I say. New seat on the way. With airbag. Airbag's on the way. Everything good. The door, I have not ordered yet. Because, let me tell you why I ain't ordered the door. The door, people are wanting $200 to $400 for the door. But the shipping, because the door is so heavy, is $400. So that's $800 total. So I'm like, shit. I'm not finna pay all that money just for shipping. I'm finna try to find one local. I just ain't found one yet. And this right here, I got somebody gonna pay that already. I just can't take it till I get the door. But I got everything else. Everything else is in line to get fixed. Like I said, let me show y'all. Let y'all see. Headlight right there. Brand new headlight. Brand new fender. This is all trash. This is all the stuff I got. And let me let y'all see this, man. Mopar parts, man. We not, ain't no regular stuff. You know what I'm saying? We not halfway doing it. That's my old fender. That's my door. That's trash. This all trash. New fender, once again, I repeat. I had to buy a fender. I had to buy these clips. I had to buy so much stuff, man. Let me see what else I got up here. I want to show y'all. Let me show y'all this. Let me show y'all this estimate they gave me, man, to fix some stuff. This ain't to fix everything. This right here, this was to get me a new door, to fix the rocker panel, to pull the rocker panel out, and to paint everything. This was not to buy the fender. This is not to buy the bumper. This is not to buy the headlight. Let me show y'all so y'all don't think I'm tripping. Y'all see that? Let me pause, let y'all get a good look at that. Look at the labor charges on that, man. They crazy. So guess what? I would not be buying a door for them. They will not be fixing my rocker panel. I don't know about paint. It's Mako. People say they suck. So I don't know about Mako. They might not be doing it either. They make, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. But just know, man, like I said, I'll be back by January 1st. And I still mean that, man. Everything good. I got my halos. Lighting Trend sent me over some new halos for my lights. Shout out to them. So I can get my halos put up in there. I already got the headlight, took apart, this ain't dead yet. There go some glue. I can't tell what that glue for. But you know, there goes some glue. Let me go through some parts, man. Fender liner, OEM. What else we got up in here? rivet gun. So on Challengers, we got different rivets. We don't have regular rivets. We don't have these rivets. I bought these thinking these were gonna work, but they're not. So I have to go back in my rivet gun and get these. But man, like I said, we working. Everything good. Really just wait on my bumper to come in. I'm gonna do my halos, put that in, put my fender on, it's over there, put my bumper on. And what I say is, once I get my bumper in and I still haven't found the door locally, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy the one online. Go ahead and spend the extra money just to hurry up and get it done. Drive it to get that fixed, drop it off for paint, and then we back out. And I will say this, man, at 1,000 subscribers, I will be getting the vehicle wrapped, man. I will be getting my car wrapped. So, matter of fact, at 1,000 subscribers or on my birthday in April, whichever one comes first, I will be getting the car wrapped, man. It will be custom wrapped, one-on-one, sucker-free edition wrap for the vehicle, for the car, man. So, stay tuned, man. If you're watching this video and you ain't subscribe to the channel. We doing big things, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta fall off a little bit, shake back with it. But as you see, I'm doing it, man. I got the car inspected, man. We don't have no other damage, man. I drove it with the door off and everything. Drove it around, did my thing, everything good. Only thing bent is this. It's just bent thin right here. All the other frame, everything is good. Everything is still lined up good. Everything good, man. It might look bad on video, but in person, man, it's like the size of my hand. So, we gonna get that fixed. My window, I got windshield protection. So, we're gonna get a new window. I mean, yeah, what we gonna call it, windshield, whatever. We're gonna get that fixed. What else? Let me see what else we got. Connections, they all good. You know, everything good. Matter of fact, let me let y'all see this just so you know I ain't lying, man. Y'all see, man, everything good. But I do. Let me let y'all see this. Y'all know I got the demon eyes and stuff in the halos over here, so let me see. Let me cut the car on let y'all see this. With me having the halos over here, my factory DRL boards are unhooked, so they don't light up. But on this new headlight, they're still on. But once I go in and do my work to it, it'll be good. But you can see, man, see how hard that's shining? You see how dirty that is, man? You see the difference between new and old, a lot different. So I'm thinking about getting a whole new right headlight too, but probably not. But man, everything good. I took off my, let me see this right here. Took this off because that broke. Got a new one on the way. I'm replacing everything. I don't like halfway doing stuff. So I got a new one of these on the way. It broke on that side. So a new one of them on the way. Whole lot of everything, man. This is all the stuff I ordered for the car. Let's see what we got up in here. Oh yeah, I gotta take them out. I gotta put them back on. But yeah, my parts on. Let me see what else I can show y'all. Just y'all see some progress, man. My badge is over there. I think that's about it, man. I had the fender on, but I'm like, fuck, I'm gonna take it off. Just let the car sit till I get the bumper in. Get the bumper in and get all that out. Because, man, whew, luckily I ain't nothing worse than it is, man. Rocket panel damage. Check the boots out, man. My work boots, man. I come in the garage, it's cold, so I had to throw these on. But, man, everything else still good. You know what I'm saying? We're still running good. Let y'all hear it one more time, man. I ain't started this car in I don't know how long, but it's for y'all, man. It's for the YouTube. Battery almost dead on me, man. Heard this, man, that battery almost dead on me. But that boy running. There go the keys, man. We gonna be back, man. We gonna be back. Underblows. Yeah. Hey, you cut them on? How them cut on? They man. That's about it. I'm gonna let y'all get y'all a little update on the video, man. I ain't forgot about y'all. No problems with nothing. Motor running good. Like I said, I drove it. I drove the car. Since then, check for leaks, no nothing wrong with nothing. Really just wait on the bumper, man. When the bumper come in, we're gonna throw that on. If I haven't found the door, I'm gonna buy one with the fast ship that I can get it gone, get it done. We gonna be out of here, man. But stay tuned. Stay tuned, man. We got some things coming. Thinking about getting a new hood too. Cause let me show y'all right here. I got a little damage right here. So I don't know if I want to get that fixed or just get a new hood. I'm thinking a Viper hood. Just let me know in the comment what y'all think, man. So I gotta get that Viper hood. But the thing about Viper hood is they got 3 holes on this side, 3 holes on that side. And I got a lot of wires up here and stuff, you know what I'm saying? I don't know about all that. That's my only thing about that. But the Viper hood, what y'all think? Let me know in the comments what y'all think, but we got a guest. She's in Sucker Free Garage, man. Y'all see Sucker Free right there. If y'all know what that is, I unwrapped the rail-to-rail car a long time when he took the first one off. And that's the piece I took off. I'm selling it for $10,000. If y'all want it, let me know. But let me cut these lights back off on my car really down, man. And I'll be looking salty. But, all right, man. This is for the video. Next time you see me, will probably be next week, and the bumper will be in. So I'll have it on, fender on, everything will be on. Maybe the door if I find one. I keep finding 2011 doors or 2014 doors. I can't find 2015 and up. You know what I'm saying? Because I'll think about going to get the old door, but then my door panel won't match up with it. So, like I said, I want to do everything the right way, get it back how it was before. At least, you know what I'm saying, get it back the right way. I don't want to have screws and shit everywhere. I do some hood shit, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm trying to get everything right. But that's it for this video, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Coming back with another banger after this video, man. For sure. And shout out to that guy one more time. Shout out to that dude who said that shit. Manage your money, people. Don't be like me.
Tell you something. One thing about me, I'm gonna stay sucker free.
I'm taking off like I'm sucker free. Nigga RT, put a V8 in my hood, make it speed. On the freeway with the shit, fuck a street. We ain't get 3, so ain't no can take off. Turn up the bass, make it beat. Finna hit up triple D, he let down the back seat. Hit him burn out every week. So if your ass wanna see me, that's set to get deep. Go. Let's race what you look at my tail lights.